What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are making Yakamein, definitely a New Orleans cuisine. If you don't know, now today you will know. So basically, I'm just going over what I'm going to cook. So let's get straight over to it. So Yakamein is pretty simple. So you have your cut up beef, your onion, and that is my green onion. Your green onion is basically like parsley, so that's your little garnish. That's actually the best part in the Yakamein to me. So I'm sorry, y'all, I have a little cold. So that's my beef, and I'm gonna mix my onion and my beef together to really give it that flavor, that extra flavor that it deserves. Okay, so again, I'm just showing y'all that I'm going to mix them together. These are the seasonings that I used. I have my salt, my Tony's, my garlic and herbs, my black pepper. And now I just put the onion on top of my beef. And so now I'm just going to mix that all up together. Really give it that. Mwah. Y'all see that? Look at that. Look at that well-seasoned beef. Y'all. That looks beautiful. Okay, so let's get straight into it. This is my water. It's boiling on the stove. So now I'm just going to put that into this pot. So let's go. So I'm just going to let that cook down, but I also am about to add my secret weapon, okay? So this is really going to give it that flavor, that beef flavor, really give it that nice, good flavor, y'all. So I'm going to add my beef broth. Yes, ma'am. Okay? Why not? Remember, this is like basically soup, y'all, but like really delicious, meaty soup. And y'all, when I say it gives us that kick, it definitely gives it that kick. Okay? So we just letting that broil. Y'all can see that meat. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. Come on now. Don't play. Don't play no games, okay? So we're just going to go ahead and let that broil, get that meat real tender. Let that meat soak up all that deliciousness with that seasoning, with that beef broth. So y'all, this is my other secret weapon, okay? The shrimps, baby, the shrimps. Okay, I season the shrimps the same way I season my beef, exactly the same. And y'all, look at that. After cooking for about 4 minutes, look at that, delicious. So this is basically me showing you how you bring it all together. Okay, so you're going to put your spaghetti in a bowl, okay? Put it in a bowl, boo. Put as much spaghetti as you like. I prefer a lot of spaghetti because the soup is very meaty. So, and then, yeah. Yeah, so you're just going to add as much spaghetti as you like to your bowl. It's up to you. This is how much I choose to put in my bowl. I'm actually making this part for my husband because when I make my Yakamein, I put eggs in mine as well. Okay, he doesn't really like eggs, so I'm gonna make his first because my eggs were still cooking. So y'all, look at that good old juicy looking Yakamein. Y'all, that looks delicious. I am not even gonna lie, y'all. It was seasoned well. The juice was really there. Like, y'all, this was bomb. It was definitely bomb. Okay, so let me show y'all how we gonna garnish this up and put it all together. You see my eggs over there? Yeah. Okay, so this is mine. This is how mine came out, y'all. It was so delicious. This was once I added the soy sauce. Remember, you have to have your soy sauce. And y'all, when I say this was bomb, definitely a 10 out of 10. If you don't feel like cooking and you just want to mix something up, Yakamein is definitely it, y'all. This is probably one of my favorites. I will definitely say that. It's just so simple, so easy, so delicious. Really simple to make. Baby, if you don't know how to cook, it's okay, because I got you, okay? Well, y'all, this is the end of this video. This is day 2. I want to thank y'all so much for watching my video. Stay tuned for another one. Bye.